If your Shopify Favicon isn't showing, don't worry. It's usually an easy fix. A favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab, and it helps with branding and recognition. First, log into your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Themes, then click Actions. Edit code on your current theme. Look for the theme.liquid file under the Layout folder. Search for link reel equals shortcut icon. If it's missing or incorrect, replace it with the correct code pointing to your favicon image, usually in the /assets folder. Make sure your favicon.ico file is properly uploaded under Assets, and the file path matches exactly. Save your changes and clear your browser cache. Sometimes old data blocks the new favicon from appearing. You can also use Shopify apps like Favicon Booster to automate this process. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and troubleshooting guides.